Good morning, children. Today, let us review the lesson. Let us explore computer network. We'll review this lesson in the form of questions and answers. First, the question number 1 is, what are the peripheral devices? Each computer has its own keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer. All these are called peripheral devices. What is a computer network? A computer network is a collection of two or more computers connected together in order to communicate and share the data and information. What is a scanner? On the network, a central computer acts as the storage location for files and applications that are shared on the network. This computer is called the server. What is a cable? A cable is a wire connected to the computers and other peripheral devices to each other. When you talk about what is NIC? Network interface card is called NIC. What is use of NIC? Answer is, this card or device connects the computer to the special device called switch. Next question, what is a switch? A switch is used to connect multiple devices such as computers, printers and scanners. Then what is a modem? Modem is a hardware device used for data transfer from one computer network to another computer network through telephone lines. What is the full form of modem? The full form of modem is modulator and demodulator. How many types of networks are there? There are two types of networks. One is the wired network, another one is the wireless network. What is a wired network? A wired network is a network which uses networking cables to connect devices such as computers, printers and scanners. What is the wireless network? A wireless network refers to two or more computers communicating using standard network rules but without cables. What are the types of the network cables? There are three types of network cables. One is the coaxial cable, second one is the optical fiber cable, third one is the twisted pair cable. What is the wireless network technology? If you share or transfer data and resource in wireless network is called the wireless network technology. Example is Bluetooth, radio link, microwave, satellite. What is a Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless technology which uses radio frequencies to transmit information over short distance. What are the radio waves? Radio waves are electromagnetic signals that are transmitted by antennas. What is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is the most popular wireless communication technology used to transfer data by using Radio waves, those are called RF, to allow two or more devices to communicate with one another. Children, this is about the today's revision. We will discuss other topics in the next class. All the best. Prepare well for examination.